Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Aris Khan, GMM 15. Now today we discuss about the anti-hyperlipidemic drugs. First of all, we discuss about the cholesterol. Cholesterol is very low, very important substance. So 80% of cholesterol synthesis by liver and 20% of cholesterol synthesis by digestive. Chylomicrons, lipoproteins. Chylomicrons is synthesis by small intestine and may function is transport lipid different kinds of tissues. VLDL, very low density of lipoproteins, VLDL, is synthesis by liver and main function is transport lipids and phospholipids of different kind of tissues. Classically, VLD is supplied in liver and converted into LDL. LDL is least low density of lipoproteins synthesis from VLDL in the liver and main function of LDL is transport cholesterol to the cells and over cells in body. It has LDL receptor. LDL receptor is recognized only in LDL cholesterol and when LDL receptor is interconnected by cell membrane, channels open and gets into cells LDL cholesterol and by acting special enzymes LDL cholesterol hydrolyze to cholesterol and LDL protein. Cholesterol uses by cells and synthesis steroid hormones and cell levels. For example, if human eat too much, very high level of cholesterol in his blood present. This way increase LDL cholesterol too much and and move away to go by arterial vessels by binding atherosclerosis, leaking, and this cholesterol formerly bad cholesterol. Only LDL cholesterol transport to body tissues and cells. If we want to very healthy life, then we eat some and exercise regularly. HDL cholesterol. HDL cholesterol is synthesis in liver and HDL really is very good cholesterol because HDL transport excess of cholesterol from blood into liver. Mechanism action of statins. Statins work for inhibit HMG CoA reductase. HMG means 3-hydroxy 3-methyl glycerol 1 CoA reductase. Enzymes and statins prevent acetyl CoA convert acetyl CoA converted into this acid mevalonic acid enzyme and scaline and cholesterol enzymes. This way statins decrease cholesterol level of blood cholesterol and when decrease cholesterol level compensate by synthesis LDL receptor and catch LDL receptor and catch LDL from blood and decrease level of LDL cholesterol and also statins increase HDL cholesterol. Statins side effects headache, dizziness, feeling unusual, tired, physical weakness, low blood platelet count. Now continue to the niacin. Niacin is the miscellaneous anti-hyperlipidemic drug is lysine. Lysine is nicotinic set work like statins and work is epidermal tissue where inhibit enzymes for sensitive lipase which responsible for breakdown in triglycerol triglycerol to free fat acid. Now, normally living use free fat acid and to make its own trimestridase and which become important components of VLDL. So, by reducing of level free fat acid available for transport liver and amino acid affecting decrease habit VLDL synthesis to level of LDL decrease HDL level and different mechanism investigation. EPAR alpha peroxisome proliferate activated receptor alpha 1 include mechanism of action in which include medicines first gym fibrosil lipid phenofibrate tricor. This is two medical medicines in which included PPAR alpha receptor saturated on the different kinds of genes. All cell except red blood cells has inside nuclear chromosomes and chromosomes consist of nucleotides. Nucleotides base pairs. For example, guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine. Sorry. Mechanism action of fibric acid derivatives, yeah, fibrates. Fibric is inhibitory of APOC3 proteins, which responsible for inhibition of LPL lipoprotein lipase and fibric proteins increase LDL and in this way LDL remove triglycerides by hydrolysis into fatty acids and these synthesis cholesterol. Fibric increase level of APA1 and APA2 protein main part of the HDL of the main part increase and decrease separating cholesterol. Bile acid attached with the liver responsible for bile acid from get bile duct reabsorption and compensate of bile acid with liver synthesis. Bile acid made from cholesterol. Bile acid is made from cholesterol and liver cells. Increase of number LDL receptors. Result decrease circulating level of cholesterol. Mechanism include mechanism of action. First, cholestyramine, cholecystyrene, cholestyramine. This is the mechanism of action of bile acid. Intestine absorption of cholesterol. Intestine absorption of cholesterol. Ezetimibe. Ezetimibe inhibiting cholesterol transport protein MNP-C1L1 cholesterol AP2 means 9 NP-C1 means Niemann-Pick C1 like 1. This protein prevent free cholesterol in small intestine and also AP2. AP2 protein responsible for endocytosis cholesterol from small intestine from to the blood. In this way, azithromycin below absorption of cholesterol from small intestine to blood. Now PCSK9 pro protein convertase subtilisin या Kaizen type 9 inhibitor. This enzyme is responsible to block LDL receptor and and includes enzymes. These are alirocumab, aliro, alirocumab and evolocumab, lirocumab, volocumab. This is two enzymes included. It is antibody medicines, and below these enzymes prevent degradation of LDL receptor and, of course, increase LDL receptors and catch more LDL from circulating, and in this way decrease LDL cholesterol. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.